This is a tutorial on loading satellite imagery into Soothsayer. First of all, go and get your imagery from SkyFi. This is half the price of their competitor, and it's really nice to see public pricing for a change. Download the imagery and then use the GDAL to tiles utility, open source tool here, to convert that imagery with the XYZ parameter, very important, which will create a WMTS tile pyramid. And the destination, I'll just run this command and explain. The destination is your soothsayer-docker folder, and then into a mapped folder which we can get from the web interface. So the UI folder is all available on the web server. So if you go to components/UI and then drop it into an appropriately named folder there, you can get to it on the UI. And to add that layer, go to the Soothsayer user interface, go down here, give your new layer a name, Austin, go to where we define the URL, and the first part is the user interface, so the UI, and the last part is the name of the folder that you picked. ZXY is the WMTS parameters for zoom and then X and Y coordinates. And now, if we're done, we have loaded a satellite layer. You can't see the layer at this zoom level, so let's zoom right in until we do. Now I can see Austin, and I can zoom in and I can see some great satellite imagery here. And just to confirm that this is aligned with the right projection, I'm going to click the button here and confirm that the rooftops are matching up with what I'm seeing. So that is how you load in satellite imagery from SkyFi.